today I just want to show you how I polish my secondhand items. So this is a earrings, and it was silver plated before, and it's because maybe it's been used for many times, so it started to have some oxidations. So I'm not yet finished, but you can see still there's still a little here. But I'm not, before I sell items or before I send it to the buyer, I just make sure that this looks good and wearable, of course. And I'm using this one, silver plating solution, no shine. So I'm not making any advertisement, but I just want to show you that this works good. It takes a bit long before you could get your desired result. As you can see, I polished it yesterday and I can still see some oxidation, so I'm thinking of polishing it again till this is covered, and then I will take photo and put it in my vintage wardrobe for sales. This is beautiful because it has what do you call it, it has small crystals. I guess some crystals are missing, but this is not noticeable when you wear it. So